Today we're going to be focusing on the British phonemic chart. We'll look at the vowel sounds as well as the consonant sounds. There are 25 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds. Now we're going to be looking at the monothongs, the diphthongs, and the triphthongs. That's for the vowel sounds before we move on to the consonant sounds. So you see it's a whole lot, so we're going to be breaking it into a two-part series. So let's get to it. Hi guys, my name is Omobolanle Adeshui. This is Fluently Speaking with Bola. Today we're going to be looking at British phonemic sounds, as I said earlier, and we would be beginning with the vowel sounds. Now the vowel sounds are split into monothongs, diphthongs, and triphthongs. Now, what is a monothong? A monothong is just a vowel sound that is pronounced with one tone and one mouth position. You'd understand as we go on. So let's look at the monothongs. Now, the monothongs are further split into the long vowels and the short vowels. We have 7 short vowels and 5 long vowels. Let's take a look at the short vowels. E, E. And you find this sound in sit, pick, give, this, big. Moving on to the next short vowel sound, e, pet, jet, petrol, kettle, nest, a, cat, pat, that, mat, chat, transparent, ooh, look, cook, good, cut, but, sun, subtract, agriculture. Moving on now to the pot, not, got, goggle, copy. Moving on now to the world famous schwa sound. The schwa sound is pronounced Vowel sounds are usually challenging for a lot of people because many of them sound alike. And that's the essence of using them in words, so you can distinguish between different sounds. So the schwa sound is found in many words, but it is not stressed, as I've always said in many of my videos. So you have it at the end of words, as in Nigeria, another, mother, father, brother. So it comes at the end of words, and it can also be put in between words. The schwa sound usually replaces weak sounds, or when you want to pronounce a word in its weak form. Weather, secretary, potato. Okay, all right, now let's move on to the long vowel sounds. E, beach, peach, bleach, key, beast, far, father, car, large. Notice that you have to spread your mouth open wider than the way you spread it when you pronounce a short pat, large. Okay, moving on to the long for, more, door, store, food, mood, doom, school. So it's the elongation of the short o sound. So as the name implies, long vowels extend their sounds while short vowels are very brief. Church, word, world, Now this word is dicey because it is not walled. It's not the long O sound. I hear a lot of people pronounce it with the long O sound, but it's actually the sound. World, world, world. All right, let's take a breather, visit the vocab spot, check out the word of the week, and when we come back, we'll move on to the diphthongs. Welcome back. Over now to the diphthongs. Remember I told you there are 8 diphthongs. A diphthong is a vowel sound pronounced with 2 mouth positions and 2 tones. So it's usually a combination of 2 vowel sounds. You have a, play, day, lay. So you see how you glide from one monophthong to the other. Safe, labor, famous. Okay, moving on now to the I, die, fight, lie, buy, style, libel. Over now to the oi, poise, boy, toy, foist. And now to the O, photo, not photo, photo, go, no, dough, gold, golden, aggro, low. And now to the diphthong ow, how, wow, now, foul, mow, mouth, flout, ground. So you see, you don't really have to have the British or American accent. You can speak with your accent, but the most important thing is to pronounce the word accurately. Ear, ear, here, near, fear, ua, ua, mua, twa. Now I know a lot of people pronounce this word as tor. It's not tor, it's twa. So of course, when you string it with words to form a sentence, it might affect it a little, but it's still not tor. I took them on the tour round the art gallery. So you see, it might slightly affect it, but it's still tor and not tor. Air, air, share, there, where. Now let's take it to the triphthongs. Now the triphthongs, as the name implies, is a vowel sound that has 3 tones, that is pronounced with 3 tones and has 3 mouth positions. Just like the monophthong has 1 mouth position, the diphthong has 2 mouth positions, and now the triphthongs have 3 mouth positions. So you have a as a diphthong, and then you have a as a triphthong. So you have it in player, prayer, layer, aya, higher, fire, buyer, oya, lawyer, sawyer, employer, ower. Sounds like when you're in a commercial bus in Lagos and you want to tell the conductor that I'm stopping here. You say, ower, ower, lower, widower, slower. So you see, it's very simple. Awa, awa, flower, shower, mawa. So that's it, guys. Easy peasy. That's all we have in the vowel sound. So next class we'll move on to the consonant sounds. Remember to practice these sounds in your daily conversations. Okay, that's what we pegged for today. Thank you so much for being a part of Fluently Speaking with Bola. Watch my other videos here, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.